Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica J. We're here in a very plain area because we just bought a house. Oh my goodness. Like, I really cannot believe that I'm saying that, but we just bought a house. We bought a new build and we just closed escrow probably about like 3 weeks ago, and it's just it's so crazy. Like, we prayed for this for so long. We've been looking for a house on and off for like 5 years, and we finally made our dreams come true. And I just feel so thankful and so blessed. And right now we're doing a little bit of renovations, even though it's a new build. We wanted to rip up the carpet in the living space and put down a wood look tile. So that's what we're doing right now for that. We have other projects that we want to do. So we're going to take you guys along with us with that journey, and we're just so excited. We literally picked a lot. We picked out finishes, we picked out countertops and cabinets, and it was just a really great experience. I didn't want to say anything along the way because honestly a lot can happen, and it's like you're in escrow for like several months basically while your home is getting built, and anything can happen. So I didn't want to come on here and let you guys know, and then, you know, something happens and it not happen. So that's why I didn't let you guys know ahead of time. We literally came to this lot like once a week to see the progress. So the first time we came and pick out the lot, it was just dirt. Nothing was happening yet. Seeing the foundation, and then like the framing, and then electrical, plumbing, and then cabinets, countertops, flooring. It's just so crazy how this house was built. I think it took them about 4 months, if I can remember correctly. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here, let you guys know, keep you guys updated with what's going on. We have a lot of fun, cool ideas, and I want to take you guys along with us. So yay! We did it, guys, we did it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this video, and to see more videos, home improvement videos, DIY videos. You're gonna see a lot of those, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You should be here.